Ever struggled with RAG pipelines that crumble under enterprise data loads? Chunking that loses context, re ranking that misses nuance, evaluation that feels like guesswork? We've all been there. This skill gives you production grade pipeline blueprints, semantic chunking with sliding window context preservation, BERT based re ranking optimized with pairwise loss functions, and LLM as a judge evaluation using chain of thought reasoning. For AI engineers, ML practitioners, and data architects tired of duct taping prototypes, this is your enterprise ready upgrade. Ready to stop firefighting and start scaling? Here's what's inside the enterprise RAG pipeline skill. Semantic chunking with overlap aware context preservation ensures no critical data gets sliced. BERT based re ranking uses learning to rank frameworks like RankNet for precision. Automated evaluation leverages LLM as a judge with multi axis scoring, relevance, coherence, diversity. You'll master dynamic filtering with FI's HNSW vector indexes and implement pipeline observability with Prometheus metrics. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your RAG pipelines just got enterprise grade steroids. Installing the enterprise RAG pipeline skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add enterprise RAG pipeline. That's it. You'll download the complete skill, expert level guidance on hybrid retrieval architectures, code templates for transformer based re rankers, and evaluation harnesses with GPT 4 judges. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to optimize chunk overlap ratios, implement MRR metrics, and debug retrieval drift. No side effects, except maybe sudden confidence in your ML ops meetings.